WORLDVIEW presents 4 surefire ways that can make anyone chase you. Do you always feel like you are chasing people? Do you want the table to be turned over just once? How much effort does it take to get people interested? Asking yourself these questions can make you feel stupid, but sometimes it feels good to be needed. Remember, there is no self-love, self-affirmation, and fulfillment. No amount of recognition and attention from others will give you the peace and love you deserve. It's about balance. Without any other talk, here are 4 surefire ways that can make anyone chase you. Number 1. Be the best version of you. At this point, they are all different and therefore pursue different type of people. So how can you be the best version of yourself, whether you're an introvert, an extrovert, or a conflicted personality? There is always something you can work on. Don't try too hard to learn how to get people to follow you. It's easy to forget all the most important advice. Be as authentic as possible. Avoid pretending to be someone else, but recognize the qualities you value and gradually incorporate them into your life. What qualities are you looking for and why? Focusing on training and developing your appearance can be beneficial if it's a matter of physical attractiveness or if it's a matter of personality or self-esteem. You may need to focus on self-reflection, habits, and words of affirmation. Remember that we are all in the process and there will always be someone who will appreciate you. Number 2. Keep yourself occupied. Besides being mysterious, it's also great for filling your schedule with fun and productive activities. Of course, this doesn't mean playing hardball. If people start asking you out and you want to meet them, go for it. Try to avoid mind games like breadcrumbs and play hard to make them miss you even more. The strategies are defense mechanisms and survival instincts for people with an insecure attachment style. Sometimes you may feel like you are not being pursued because you have too much free time. It's okay to be busy with other things and let your life flow naturally. You can try hiking, going to the gym, you can even go to parties and be more active and productive. You can meet new people, build more relationships, and improve the quality of your social life. Number 3. Develop your look. Have you ever been interested in someone because of their looks? There's no shame in following people online because you think they are awesome. Beautiful people just get more attention. But why are they different? Studies have shown that when we judge someone as a beautiful, we tend to think they have positive personality traits and are smarter. As a result, they are more likely to receive benefits, such as getting paid more for thinking more about work and having better social skills. This disparity of treatment is also evident in the appearance of the webcomic, in which protagonist Daniel Park is bullied for being fat and weak. After waking up a much more attractive personality, he suddenly becomes a very nice and popular person. Another study found that attractiveness was also strongly associated with higher levels of self-esteem. This means it can help build confidence in your skills and appearance. If you want to increase your attractiveness, maybe you need a haircut, maybe even a new one. Either way, it's a good idea to explore and do things that make you feel strong and confident. Dress well, practice hygiene, and learn to be your best self. Expressing yourself socially, exercising, and eating a balanced diet can have a positive effect on your self-esteem. Finally, try to accept your flaws and highlight your strengths. Building your look doesn't happen overnight. It's a byproduct of how you choose to live your life. You are already pretty cool, but maybe it's time for an upgrade. Number 4. Give space to mystery. Why are mysterious people so attractive? Who is the quiet and mysterious type that makes you want to know more? Let's take a look at Levi Ackerman in Attack on Titan. He's quiet and aloof, but somehow has a legion of fans screaming for support and admiration. So what makes this loving personality so attractive? According to Dr. Simon Radell, mystery is associated with a fascination. When people encounter the unknown, they are likely to research and to learn more. This type of behavior can be attributed to early humans who were constantly faced with threats and had to develop strategies to overcome them. According to Radell, the mystical milieu easily attracts us as a potential source of unprecedented knowledge, and therefore as a source of fascination. So if you want to be that source, try to find more ways to add mystery to your life. You can start spending less time on social media and more time on your hobbies. Focus on your goals and practice listening more than talking. Focus on people instead of yourself. Have you ever chased someone? What made you do that, and how did it end? Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.